Alright, we just took this out of the box here. First and foremost, it's really heavy. It has a handle here that you can grab, but it's really heavy. It's got the cord, manual, the separator. Down here is where the motor and everything is to keep everything cool. It's the back side of it. This is the only thing that can possibly make it better is if it had a handle, like a carrying handle, because it does have wheels. And we just got it plugged in. Plug it in the front down here. It has both a car outlet as well as one that you can plug into.
Are you trying to sell that? Mom.
The wall. Got a flashlight here so you can see. The drain plug is down there in the bottom.